How to use auto pick in Fantasy Premier League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto pick feature in the Fantasy Premier League app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the fantasy tab, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on pick team if you are already registered, or choose auto pick when creating a new team. So here on the team selection screen, you can just tap on the auto pick button, which is usually at the bottom or the top right corner of the screen, and the system will instantly generate a full 15 player squad for you based on budget and default balance. And here, once you are happy with it, you can just tap on save your team or make changes manually before confirming. And that's it. That's how you can use auto pick to build your fantasy premier league teams in second. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.